All right, we just got home from church. So last night I checked on the goats before we went to bed. Nothing. This morning, milked, fed, nothing. Like it was like nothing was happening. So it's 2:46 right now. Sunday, July 11th, if you're curious, and she is definitely laboring, like for sure. I don't know how close she's gonna let me get. I'm not really sure how long this could last. This is all so new, so if you're new to goat keeping, we're just gonna be new together. Because you don't know till you go through it. I think you can read all the books and do all the things, but until you experience something like this firsthand, you really don't know. Also, I tried pulling Faith out of the barn. Belle actually was not having it. She did not like not knowing where she was, so I was gonna let her be there because I figured in nature no one's gonna separate her, so Faith's her mom and they're bonded that way, so she doesn't seem to be bothering her. Like I said, Faith walked out of the barn and walked around the back and Belle started hollering for her, so I think at this point it would do more harm to try to separate them. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good girl, Belle. Yep, get that baby out. There you go. Oh. Hi. Good girl, Belle.
Another one, huh? Oh boy. That's another one.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I hope it's coming out right. There you go. Oof. Yep, that's another sack. That's another baby. Yep, here comes another baby. Good girl, Belle. Oh. Get it moving in the sack. Yeah, you got it.
You get that fluid out of her mouth. That's disgusting. Is that normal?
Mm-hmm. It's to keep predators away. They'll eat the fluid so that the predators don't come.
Oh, I totally. Yeah, we need to get
Cows
that stuff.
do that too.
Yeah, I'll get that cleaned up and get it in the garbage.
Can you stand up, little one? You're making me a little nervous.
Things don't want no hay.
No, I'm trying to get them on some dry stuff. Because it's cold for them. I don't know. We're just gonna love on them right now.
Oh, that's so cute. Can she be any cuter? What a good mama.
She's a good
Why do
mama.
they don't want to get up?
Oh, they're just born.
They have to gain their
Bell's
strength.
skinny.
Yeah, Belle's skinny.
Yeah, they make some little
like purr almost. Huh?
Yeah.
Different.
They're so cute. Oh, sorry.
I always thought yours were brown. The body.
Hi.
I'm gonna.
Belle is eating and up and moving. She passed her placenta. All that went well. The babies are nursing. They are happy. We got 2 boys. We're gonna call this one Buckle, which is Belle Buckle. After a city, Belle Buckle. And then this one is Tinker, so Tinker Belle.
Good.
Okay, move, Gracie. So overall, great experience. The babies are healthy. Everyone is happy. All right, we're going to let them settle in for the night. We'll keep an eye on them real close. So we are going to keep a close eye on these babies, but we are excited to have these boys on the farm.